Hi, welcome if you're new here. Welcome to Make It Better. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's get started. Windows 11 comes with a ton of changes. A new UI, Android app compatibility, improved resources management, and so much more are all packed into Microsoft's brand new operating system. Under the hood, it's largely the same OS, but there are some new features you should know how to use. These tips will help ease the transition from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Among the first change you will notice in Windows 11 is the taskbar and start menu location. Microsoft has decided to move it to the center for usability and aesthetic reasons. While I'm okay with the new placement, you may prefer it in the original position. To change the taskbar alignment, right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Alternatively, go to Settings, Personalization, then Taskbar to access the taskbar settings. Scroll down and click on Taskbar Behaviors. Click the drop-down for taskbar alignment and select Left. Windows 11 taskbar will now move to the left. Next up, you don't need any extra software to add a shutdown button to the Windows 11 desktop. It's simply a matter of adding a new option shortcut to the desktop, which is a bit different from a standard software one. Instead of specifying a location, you enter a command for the options shortcut. You can add a shutdown button to the desktop as follows. Right-click the Windows 11 desktop and select the new context menu option. Select Shortcut to open the Create Shortcut window. Now input shutdown//0 within the location text box. Then click the Next button to proceed to the naming step. Type shutdown within the text box. Press the Finish button to add the shortcut to the desktop. Just like that, now you have a shutdown shortcut on your desktop. Where's the Task Manager? In Windows 10, you can access the Task Manager directly from the taskbar. However, that has changed in Windows 11. While there are various ways to access the Task Manager in Windows 11, an easy way to do it is from the Start menu. To open the Task Manager, right-click on Start or press the Windows key and X, and select it from the WinX menu that appears. 4. Hide the Widget in Chat app. By default, the new taskbar features the Widget in Chat, which is Microsoft Team app. The Widget app allows you to check information related to weather, sports, nearby traffic, Windows apps tips, calendars, and more at a glance. However, if you would rather have more taskbar space, you can turn it off in the settings. First, open the Settings panel using the Windows key +I. Then go to Personalization and open Taskbar. Under Taskbar Items, toggle the switch for Widgets in Chat and set it to Off. Five. Another complaint from a lot of people who upgraded to Windows 11 from Windows 10 is the inability to pin folders to the Start menu. Well, Windows 11 does have an inbuilt setting that can show folders next to the power button on the Start menu, but only system ones. To show core system folders on the Start menu, hit the Windows key +I on your keyboard, then choose Personalization. After that, choose Start and then Folders. You can then flip the switches to On for the various system folders you want to see on the Start menu. The selection includes Settings, File Explorer, Documents, Downloads, Music, Pictures, Videos, Network, and your personal folder. If this video helped you out in any way, make sure to leave a like and click on the screen right now to watch another video just like this one with some tips and tricks to help you level up. I'll see you guys in the next video.